What's up, guys? So I finished my white car. I'll show you in a second, and then I'm probably gonna start working on my side skirts now and try to finish that up, because that's literally the only thing that's left on the car to finish up before I can start actually bundling and working on all that stuff. Here's the side skirts. They're all nice and glued. Just needs to be cleaned up. There's the E92. I painted the fender, painted the quarter panel, and the bumper. I'm still looking for a hood. I'm trying to find a white hood so I don't have to paint it. But yeah, she's done. She has a 335 rear bumper, and I need to still weld exhaust, which is probably going to do sometime soon. And door is a little bit different color, just because I think it's yellowing. So I need to wet sand it and buff it, and hopefully it'll match. I have M3 side skirts and M3 bumper. So yeah, this thing is done. And right now I'm gonna pull my E46 here and start taking it apart. Actually, in about like 40 minutes or so, I'm gonna go with my friend, and he's gonna take some pictures of my car, and I'll just run a couple clips with pictures, and then maybe we'll do some rolling shots, and then we'll go from there. But right now I'm gonna do the second side.
Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. used to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Alright guys, so I just got back from a little photo shoot and a video that me and my friend took of my car. So far it's pretty good. It made it like, I'd say 20-minute drive there and back. Nothing flew off except my turn signal, because the tabs are broken, it keeps popping out. So I'm gonna be getting new one of those. But my side skirts almost done. Other than that, car looks great. It held up, like I said, except my turn signal, like I said, keeps popping out. But super happy with my car, except I still didn't switch my wheels around. Someone mentioned they were directional and I didn't check. So this actually is supposed to go on the left side and left one's supposed to go on the right side. So I need to do that yet. But right now I'm gonna go ahead and edit this video. Hopefully you guys enjoy some of those pictures I took, well, my friend took, and a little video of me following him to the place where we took pictures. Again, thanks for watching. I hope you guys like it. Comment and subscribe. Your comments honestly keep me motivated. Sometimes I lose interest and get demotivated a little bit working on it, but every time I post something I get such a good feedback that makes me want to keep doing this. And again, it's pretty close, it's getting there. So again, I'll see you in the next one.